Situation where a humanoid robot partner of you, of course, gracefully navigates a complex terrain like your bedroom, climbs up to your bed, avoiding obstacles like pillows and other stuffs, and finally accomplishing a very complex tasks like physical intimacy with you. And everything it does quite gracefully with human like agility. It sounds like a science fiction, I know, but it is possible. How it is possible? I will discuss that topic in today's video, and there are more to come following this video. Welcome to Slet, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. And you know, artificial intelligence has brought a great disruption in the world of not only in the world of technology but in our everyday life, be it psychological or physical. But before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And besides, if you have already subscribed, many thanks for your support. And I hope in the future I will get that support just like before. And another thing I need to remind you that although I'm talking about sex robots, sex dolls, sexuality, human sexuality, psychological disparity, and many more complex topic under the sun, but I'm not here to explicitly describe or demonstrate any kind of vulgar videos or anything like that. So please don't expect any kind of vulgarity here. I'm here to discuss only the technical part of humanoid robots that we use for everyday purpose, including our physically intimate tasks. So let's start. First of all, I told you an imaginary situation, and in that case, this impressive feat relies on two crucial components working in tandem in a humanoid robot. They are called one motion planning, and the other is trajectory generation. These are very technical terms, of course, and it is related to artificial intelligence and machine learning and neural network, of course. But if we break it down and try to understand it, I hope it will not hurt us. Anyway, I'll talk about motion planning today, and I'll give you a brief introduction of motion planning. After that, in the next video, I will talk about more about motion planning algorithms, which are basically working behind the curtain. Now, motion planning means what? It's a high-level decision-making process. Basically, you know, when very complex tasks like physically intimacy or sexual activities involved, there are a lot of decisions to make. You know that very well. I don't have to clarify it more or explain it in detail. But advanced humanoid robot with motion planning is equipped with this decision making process. It is an inbuilt process, right? It figures out the overall path the robot needs to take to reach its goal. That means it helps you to reach the climax until you get your goal or reach your goal. It helps you. And in doing that, it takes a lot of decisions. And this decision making all depends on motion planning algorithms. Okay. Because it considers the environment of your bedroom or any other place where you are getting the whole thing done, and other obstacles, because even a pillow on your bed looks like an obstacle to for a humanoid robot. Okay, and it has to overcome that obstacle, right? And robots capabilities depends on many things, including those decision making plans. Think of it as finding the best route on a map to get from point A to point B. Because when you are going from point A to point B, there are several routes, and you need to take the best route, the shortest route, and that depends on your decisions. And decision making process is involved here very heavily to reach your goal, right? And in physical intimacy also, in physical intimacy, of course, the same thing happens, but in a different way whatsoever. So there are different types of algorithms, I mean methods are involved, and they are used for motion planning, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Okay, I'll talk about it later in the next video. So stay tuned and keep watching Wooden Slate. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.